Hello and welcome back. In this short lecture, we're going to learn about how we can purge the Windows Store specific applications on Windows 8.1 operating system. To begin with, just point to Microsoft Intune and go back to Client Apps, which is nothing but Client Apps here, and then go to the Apps and click on Add. This is where it will ask you to choose whether you want to push it from store apps or from any other application categories or just for the Office 365. In our case, we are trying for Windows Phone 8.1. So we would be trying for Windows Phone 8.1. Once we select Windows 8.1 as the app type, then we need to fill this value. I would recommend that if you can expand this blade, you would be getting here the link specific to App Store. You need to give here the name and the description and publisher. For example, if I want to push a Skype for Business application, what I would do is I would actually open up Microsoft Store for example like this. I'll just go to Microsoft.com and then I would point to the store, and from the store I can search here. This is where I can search, like I can type here any of the application name, and then I can take any of the application. For example, if I want to push Skype for Business, simply I'll just select this, and this details I would actually have to enter here, like app URL would be this, and the name of the application would be, you can type here Skype for Business, and the description why you're going to use this, and that information you can give it here. For example, whatever the information you want to enter with the character limits, you can enter. Later point, the publisher would be the Microsoft, definitely. So I'm going to type that Microsoft Corporation here, the publisher name, which I have to enter, and just copy pasting so that it's quick for me. And category, it should be productivity. If you can look at here, the productivity is coming up, the category. So similar thing I can choose here, and then you can, as we discussed in the previous demos or previous lectures for Android and iOS, similar way, if you want to show this application in the front of the page, then you can choose as yes, otherwise no, and remaining details you can fill up, like entering the privacy, URL, developer information, application owner, or maybe a simple notes, and any of the logo of that specific image, and then click OK. That would actually create Windows app type for Windows Phone relevant 8.1. And once you configure this, click on Add. That would create this specific app. Later point, you're going to assign the specific application. To assign the specific application, click on Assign and Add Group. When you click on Add Group, it's going to give you option only one in this case. If you remember, for other configurations, for example for Android or iOS, we used to get more options, but for 8.1 phone we're getting very limited as just for the available option for the Android devices. And now I need to give here the group that needs to be included. So I'm just selecting here. I did actually create a group for Skype for Business specific to deploy on Skype for Business Windows 8.1 phone specific application, and I'll simply select that and click OK. That's gonna apply. If you are looking for excluding, you can always click here exclude groups, but in our case we just included, and click on save. That would actually creates the entire application, which is in this case Skype for Business, and it also have no assignment. It's going to apply that assignment. Whatever the users are part of this specific group, it's going to apply for that. That concludes how to create a specific application for Windows 8.1 from store specific application. Thank you for watching this.